Definitely having my own hands on the stuff and the equipments and working with it and experience what is it to do it the wrong way and what is it to do it the right way, and getting the results from my own hands, it was amazing. It's seeing the results of yourself. It was really good experience because the dentist I visit didn't have all of that, and when I first saw some new handpiece and got to hold them with my hand and operate them with my hand, I got to know how these things works and how complicated they are, but yet so fun to be around. I wouldn't say there was a hard challenge so far, because having a great instructor, Miss Alexandra, she's an amazing person with a huge experience in the field. So I wouldn't say I've been in a tough position yet. Hopefully not in the future too. I didn't know I was allowed to do that and to place thing in a patient mouth that's gonna stay couple of years with him. I thought we were just there for examination and charting, but it was interesting.